In today's episode, I would like to talk about Alfa Romeo Spider, second version that was produced from 1970 to 1982-83. And in general, in this video, I want to talk about 8 main modifications that I did on my car, and I think that these 8 main modifications are the most important that you can do for your Alfa Romeo Spider, if your Alfa Romeo Spider is US version. Because as you know, there is quite a big differences how these cars look, and if we compare European version and US version. So first of all, I started, because it was my full project, full restoration project. Right here is the link where you can see a full video about this Alfa Romeo Spider project, how the restoration took place and so on. So first thing, when I was welding the body, I decided to delete the parking lights. As you can see, they are big, ugly, and I think they are not together with the design of this car, because they were invented just to put and to meet the requirements for US market. So first of all, let's delete these ugly lights. I deleted, and now the body is smooth, very nice. Second, and the most important thing, is of course bumpers conversion. I already did some videos about front bumper conversion. Right here is the link where you can find all necessary parts that are needed to convert your US version bumpers. And next one is also, it's a more personal choice, but I decided that this car needs to have Carello headlights. And also here is the link how I did the Carello headlights conversion, because I think this Alfa Romeo Spider model is very elegant car. And to make it even more elegant, doing Carello headlights for me was no-brainer. It's just, you have to have it. Next one is a very small, very easy, but also important in terms of design and look. It's a mirrors. Because you can see that my car had these big black plastic mirrors that after some few modifications that I already did it's must do. So when you convert mirrors, you have more chrome, more better look. Next one, also very small exterior detail, is wipers. If your car have these black big wipers, it's easy to convert with a wiper arm, and wiper convert to chrome look. It gives much more elegance. And now there is some left modifications that are not exterior but interior in the car. One of the most important is, of course, door cards, because you can see here how bad American version door cards look like. And I was scrolling all the versions of Spiders, and I saw that the best door cards looks like on a Spider version number 1. The oldest Spiders, the Duetto, had the perfect door cards. So I bought them new and installed on my car, and now you can see how good they are. Next one, very small, very personal, and so on, radio. Radio swap and installing Bluetooth module. Because I think in modern stereos, you know, you don't need any more cassette, because Alfa Romeo Spider came with a factory Blaupunkt that have a cassette. Of course, if you still like to play old music, you can leave your Blaupunkt with a cassette. But I decided to go on a more elegant way, and I chosen this grounding radio and install the Bluetooth module. Here is the link where you can see my video that I made about Bluetooth, and also I just want to remind you, if you have a vintage stereo, You can buy from me a Bluetooth model to connect to your radio and play your favorite music from your phone. And the last modification that I did for my car is 1-2-3 ignition, because I think that every classic car which you probably want to use for daily or for weekend rides, it's a big improvement. It's a big step up to install the electronic ignition and have much more smoother engine and so on. So this was my 8 main modifications that I did on Alfa Romeo Spider, and I think that all these modifications together, they convert this car from this ugly American look to this beauty, elegance, European look, and also more personal look. Let's say, how do you want to make finally this car look like? I'm very detail-oriented person, so for me it was very important. I hope you found this video useful, and if you wanna see more videos about Alfa Romeo Spider project or other classic cars, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And as always, greetings from Vilnius, and see you next time. Bye.